How to use Tellraw command in Minecraft. So first, you just simply need to open up your chatting commands right here, then just type in Tellraw. So /Tellraw, then the player that you want to send it to. So if you pick @A, it will send it to all players. So @A, then just put a curly bracket. So make sure it is a curly bracket. It might look like a parenthesis, but it is a curly bracket. Then just type in quotation mark, then text, quotation mark again, then a colon, then just simply type in quotation mark, then the text that you want to send. So let's say I want to send hello to everyone, then a quotation mark again, and the closing curly bracket. And when you click on enter, as you can see, it will say hello. And what you can do, just type in Salva again, and you could make this either change your color or you could also make it bold or italic. So just type in the same one, which is text, just like that. So you can just follow what I'm going to type. So text, close quotations, then colon, then the text that you want to put. So I'm going to put hello, then just put a comma. Now just type in quotation mark again, put color, now the colon, quotation mark, and put the color that you want. So let's say I want blue, then quotation mark, then a comma again if you want it bold or italic. Let's say I want it to be italic, so just quotation mark, italic, then close quotation mark, then type in a colon, then set it to true, then a curly bracket again. Now just type in enter. Now as you can see here on the bottom left side, it will show the text that we made. That's how I basically use a Tellraw command in Minecraft.